Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury watchmaking, in Switzerland, the epicenter of horology. If you're a watch enthusiast or just curious about the craft, this video will guide you through organizing an unforgettable watch inspiration tour in this beautiful country. Switzerland is renowned for its stunning landscapes and rich watchmaking heritage. Let's explore the key destinations and experiences you can include in your tour. Geneva. Begin in Geneva, a city synonymous with haute horlogerie. It's home to houses such as Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, and Rolex. A highlight, the Patek Philippe Museum, an essential stop for understanding the evolution of the wristwatch, through one of the most complete private collections in the world. Vallée de Joux. From Geneva, head into the remote Vallée de Joux, the cradle of mechanical watchmaking. Here you'll encounter Audemars Piguet, Jaeger-LeCoultre, and Breguet's manufacture. Stay at the architecturally acclaimed Hôtel des Horlogers, an Audemars Piguet-backed property with direct access to the Musée. Atelier Audemars Piguet and guided manufacture tours. Chaux-de-Fonds Le Locle, UNESCO-listed for their urban planning dedicated to watchmaking. These twin towns are a must. In Chaux-de-Fonds, visit the Musée International d'Horlogerie, a global authority on timekeeping devices. Then head to Le Locle for the Musée d'Horlogerie du Locle, set in a charming chateau and focusing on artisanal timekeeping history. Also consider a visit to the Zenith manufacture, Biel and Bienne. Bilingual Biel and Bienne is the operational center of the Swatch Group, and the headquarters of Omega. Tour the Omega Museum, an interactive, design-forward experience, covering everything from the Speedmaster's lunar legacy to Olympic timekeeping. Schaffhausen. Cap off your regional visits with Schaffhausen, home to IWC. The IWC Museum provides a compelling, multimedia-rich experience that traces the brand's American-Swiss roots and design evolution. Behind-the-scenes access is where this tour becomes unforgettable. Factory tours. Many brands, including Zenith, Audemars Piguet, and Jaeger-LeCoultre, offer private guided factory tours. These visits allow you to witness complications being assembled and gain insight into métier d'art practices like enameling or guilloty. Hands-on workshops. Institutions such as the Fondation de la Haute Horlogerie in Geneva offer workshops where participants can disassemble and reassemble mechanical movements, under the guidance of master watchmakers. Here are some must-visit museums. 1. Musée International d'Horlogerie in La Chaux-de-Fonds, extensive collection of watches and clocks. 2. Patek Philippe Museum in Geneva, rare timepieces and watchmaking history. 3. Omega Museum in Biel, brand history and interactive exhibits. 4. Musée d'Horlogerie du Locle, historic clocks in a chateau setting. 5. IWC Museum in Schaffhausen, multimedia presentations on the brand's history. 6. Longines Museum in Saint-Imier, evolution of Longines watches, accommodations tailored to enthusiasts. Hôtel des Horlogers, Le Brassus, for direct manufacture access in Vallée de Joux. The Woodward or Borivage, Geneva, ideal for boutique visits and museum proximity. Bergenstock Resort, Lucerne, combine horology with high-end alpine wellness. Dolder Grand, Zurich, close to historical boutiques and exclusive auction houses. Here's a sample itinerary for your tour. Day 1, Geneva. Visit the Patek Philippe Museum. Explore luxury watch boutiques. Day 2, Vallée de Joux. Tour the Audemars Piguet factory and museum. Stay at Hôtel des Horlogers. Day 3, La Chaux-de-Fonds and Le Locle. Guided tour of Me and Musée d'Horlogerie du Locle. Visit Zenith Manufacture. Day 4, Biel, Omega Museum and Factory Tour. Explore Swatch Group headquarters. Day 5, Schaffhausen, IWC Museum and Town Exploration. Day 6, Lucerne or Zurich. Participate in a watchmaking workshop. Visit additional boutiques or auction houses. Before you go, here are some practical tips. Language tours are available in multiple languages, including English, French, and German. Group size tours can be tailored for individuals or groups, typically ranging from 2 to 22 people. Booking many factory visits and workshops require advance booking, so plan ahead. Season-most activities are available year-round, but check for manufacturer availability. Customization: consider bespoke tours that include private transportation and exclusive access to watchmakers. And don't forget about unique experiences. Assemble your own watch. Some workshops let you create and take home your own watch. Watch and chocolate pairing. Enjoy curated tasting sessions that combine Swiss watches with chocolate. Scenic Swiss landscapes enhance your tour with excursions to lakes, mountains, and historic towns. A Swiss watch inspiration tour can be as immersive and luxurious as you wish, blending the heritage of fine watchmaking with the country's stunning scenery and hospitality. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Happy travels, and see you in Switzerland.